Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will help you understand the simple process of buying Bitcoin using your Valr wallet. First, you will need to create and fully verify your Valr account. This crucial step ensures security and unlocks higher transaction limits. Once verified, you can easily fund your wallet using various methods, such as a bank transfer, which typically takes a few minutes to reflect. Make sure your funds are available before proceeding to the next step. Now that your account is funded, let's navigate to the purchase section. Begin by logging into your Valr account using your secure credentials. Once logged in, look for the buy/sell option, usually prominently displayed on the dashboard or in the main menu. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can choose from a wide range of cryptocurrencies. For this guide, simply select Bitcoin from the list to proceed. With Bitcoin selected, you are ready to place your order. You can choose to buy a specific amount of Bitcoin or enter the rand value you wish to spend. The platform will display the current market price and the total cost of your purchase, including any small fees. Take a moment to carefully review all the details to ensure they are correct. Once satisfied, simply confirm your purchase, and Valr will execute the trade almost instantly. Congratulations! Your Bitcoin purchase is complete. The newly acquired Bitcoin will immediately reflect in your Valr wallet, ready for you to manage. You can always check your transaction history for a detailed record of your recent trade. For enhanced security, especially for larger holdings, many users choose to transfer their Bitcoin from the exchange to a personal hardware wallet, giving them full control over their digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.